Hi all, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today we're going to do issue 28 of Build the Terminator. So not got a lot to do in this issue, but I want to get another video done today because I've already done issue 27 this morning of the Terminator. So I'm determined to get 28 out this afternoon. So let's get modelling. Okay, so let's get started now. We are going to need this in this issue, but I must note we have been sent a spring, but we don't actually need that in this issue, so like always we'll put it to one side and deal with it later. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get this part here, which is part of the shoulder, and we need to put this sort of plastic tube into here, just like so. Okay, and then we need to bring across this part, which I think is probably one of the shoulder blades. Yes, it is one of the shoulder blades, and we need to bob it into place. And then we've got this sort of part here, and we need to push that down to secure it in place. Now it's a little bit tough, but if you just keep pushing, just making sure it goes all the way through. It is extremely hard to push down, and you have to make sure you've lined everything up. Just making sure that bottom is lined up, which it is. So I'm just going to finish pushing that in, like so. Last little bit. Man, that was tough. Okay, so that's now in. And then we need to get this part here. Now apparently this is a push fit, but that's got a lot to be desired if that is a push fit connection. So what I might do is I might just glue that in. So I'm just gonna, because it is in, but it's in very, very loose. If it was push fit connection, I shouldn't be able to get it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue that in place, I think. Yeah, I'm going to glue it in place. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it on these bits, two tabs here. So, dab of glue on these bits, and then we'll bob it on. Yeah, so that's now in place like so. Looking very nice. So we don't need this anymore, because the next part we need to bring over, and you'll probably remember these parts, is this part here. So I think what we're doing is we're making another one of them, probably for the left shoulder blade, and we need to make sure that it's orientated around the right way, which this is. And then we have this part again, like what we had last time, and we need to be bobbing that in place, making sure we get it the right way around. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to put this part in. So we're going to bob that in over the other side, like so. Let's just make sure we've got this the right way around. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a screw. Now I remagnetized my screwdrivers yesterday, so this should be able to hold bigger screws a lot better, which it does. Let's get that first screw into place. That's the first one. And then we do the second one. Well, as you see, it is a strong magnet now. And get the next one in place just like that. Make sure it's orientated around the right way. And that's it. That's it for this issue. Not a lot to do at all. So we've completed that part. And then we've also done this part here. We'll say that that part is plastic. It's not metal, which is a shame. But I mean, it does have a nice polished look to it. And that is all there is to do in this issue. Well, that's it for today. In the next issue, we're going to be continuing the left shoulder. As you can see there, ooh, I've got a bit of deja vu about them parts. I think I've seen them somewhere before. I'm not right sure, but yeah, I think we're going to continue with the left shoulder. So yeah, you can still get this model. If you look down in the description for this video, you will see a link for Agora Models, where you can get this model. I think you get at the moment, I think it's 10 issues a month, and then I think it catches up. So head on down to Agora Models, where you can get this. It is a fantastic model and I would recommend it to anybody. Also in the description is my wish list and also the social media pages for the channel as well. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe bell and hit the notification icon, and you'll be notified of any future videos that I produce and put up on YouTube. But as for always, bye for now guys. Bye. Bye.